Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will see a sweet dish with red poha. For that, first we need to melt 3/4 cup of jaggery with 1 cup of water and stir it well until it gets boiled. Keep the jaggery syrup aside. Place a kadai on the flame and add some ghee. Roast some cashew for garnishing. Keep aside roasted cashew. Add the melted jaggery into the same kadai. Add grated coconut into it. Mix it well thoroughly. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cook well until it gets a thick consistency. Now we can add the red poha into it and mix it well. Aval is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe.